Alrighty, YouTubers, we got a special video today to do. This is coming from GoldBelly.com. Click on the link down below. You guys get 50 bucks off your order. Use the coupon link. I do believe if I have a promo code, it'll be listed, but I do believe it's only a link. All you gotta do is click on a link, sign up, place your order. You get $50. So definitely worth it. They got some really good foods out there. Cakes, barbecue, pizza, donuts, pretty much everything. Lobsters you can order, Philly cheesesteaks from Philly, so you get those. I'm trying to think, I had so many, but all you gotta do is click the link down below, and they ship pretty fast, so definitely excited for this one. It is that time of season, Mardi Gras time. This is coming from Gambinos, 1949, down in New Orleans, Louisiana. Went there once for Mardi Gras in my younger years, so about 10 years ago. Had a blast. Definitely can't tell the stories on YouTube, so gotta keep it PG on here. But definitely, it is Mardi Gras season. I think next week it is. So you might guys have some time to order something like this. And like I say, you guys could save $50 with the link down below. And I'll show you what you guys could get. Oh yeah, it's been one of those days. We just had our ice storm out there. It's pretty nasty, so definitely a lot safer staying in. And here we go. It smells good. Ooh la la. There we go. Bada boom. Oh, it's 2018, so, but it's 2019 now, but it's alright. I don't know. And this is what you get. Oh, it's a do-it-yourselfer. That's interesting. Looks destroyed, though. Oh, boy. This is a praline. Keys. Okay, let's see what it's about. Definitely excited for this one. I never got it from them before. I did order from, I forgot which one it was, but different. They had it set up. But this is cool. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. Like I said, click on the link down below for your big savings. And try something different out. Like I said, if you don't want to cook always, they got hot dogs. They got pretty much everything. Oh, it smells really good though. Look at that. Oh, it got crushed a little bit. Oh, there's the confetti. Got the confetti. They got the cream. Oh, leakage. Why am I leaking? Oh, it was from the praline. Not too bad damage, but dang, this smells really good. Wow, it's like cinnamon. Oh yeah, there's like a baby inside. I guess that's like good luck. You're supposed to have really good luck. So, like I said, Mardi Gras season, guys. Check them out. Link will be down below for this, and then you can follow the link to other, like the Philly cheese, the pizza places, the barbecue places, the fish, the seafood. They got everything on GoldBelly, and definitely got you guys a coupon for $50 off. All you gotta do, click the link, get some goodies delivered, and that's it. YouTubers, be safe, have a good one. See ya. Here we go, we got the cream down, now we're putting the confetti. There we go. And like I said, the baby's inside somewhere, and once you find it, you get a good luck for you. And definitely check them out. Link will be down below. You guys save 50 bucks, and that's about it right there. Here is King of Cakes, the King of Cakes, Joe Gambino family. So there's your Instagram. And there's a number, your website. And there's a good box. And look at that. Zoom in. Zoom out. Final touches on it. Alright, happy Mardi Gras season. Be safe.